Hey everyone, Pascal Andy here. Welcome to the future information session. So first you need to install a software to be able to receive the online conference signals. So we're gonna install this software which is called Zoom. So head over to zoom.us. So zoom.us. Then you will scroll, and I will zoom a bit, up to the download section right here, and you see the meeting client. So you're gonna take this link, and then you take the first one here, which is the Zoom client for meetings. I click once, and it's downloading, and then I can open in my Finder. This is the file here, double click. I need to install. So this is on Mac, and on PC this is a regular installation, and boom, you have the software open. Now here you will need to join the meeting. I will send the information via email. So in this case I already have a meeting running, just to show you end to end. So you copy paste that, you join, and then you see the streaming. You see my hand here. This is the streaming from the other computer, and you need to join with computer audio, and now you're on. If you want, you can stop sharing your webcam here. So in this case, now it's running, and now I can stop here. Right here, you click on the bottom here, and you can mute yourself or unmute. So usually you want to keep at mute, and then you can go full screen like that, and you're ready to watch the online conference. So I hope it makes sense, and see you later. Bye-bye.